The powerful remnants of Typhoon Merbok pounded Alaska's western coast on September 17, 2022, pushing homes off their foundations and tearing apart protective berms as water flooded communities. Storms aren't unusual here, but Merbok built up over unusually warm water. Its waves reached 50 feet over the Bering Sea, and its storm surge sent water levels into communities at near record highs along with near hurricane-force winds. Merbok also hit during the fall subsistence harvest season, when the region's indigenous communities are stocking up food for the winter. Rick Thullman, a climate scientist at the University of Alaska Fairbanks, explained why the storm was unusual and the impact it's having on coastal Alaskans. There's a strong likelihood that Merbok was able to form where it did because of the warming ocean. With warm ocean water, there's more evaporation going in the atmosphere. Because all the atmospheric ingredients came together, Merbok was able to bring that very warm moist air along with it. Had the ocean been a temperature more typical of 1960, there wouldn't have been as much moisture in the storm.